Is this paradise or what? He's fishing over there. Is Amavi Hotel. This is Alliga's beach. So at Banya Municipality Beach, they start cleaning. They fix from the winter. Some people around. Teddy found a spot to pee, of course. Let's catch his wave. Oops. He's scared. Constantino Pros Hotels. Tamara, which one is this? Athena? This is Athena? Athena, yeah, Athena Beach Hotel. Constantinos Pros. Yeah, Athena Beach Hotel. Right next to it, actually it's a whole hotel, yeah. It's Athena still going. Lidra Beach. Lidra Beach Hotel here. Cypria Mare by Leonardo Plaza, Cypria Mare. Still closed, so also like the other hotels, opening beginning of March. It's nice to see in the front. Of course, it's rough today. Murayo Greek Tavern, Egao Asia Restaurant. They have Gara Rufa Spa, Euphoria Pool, Indoor Pool, Salinity Floating Pool, Erato Club Bar, and Thetis Pool Bar. Some renovation or some, yeah, what's going on there. Helicopter flying by. Cypria Mare, and next to it is Leonardo Plaza. Cypria Bay. Cypria Bay next to it. Cypria Bay. Cypria Bay, yeah. Both owned by the same company. Israel company. Leonardo's Cypria Bay. Still closed until March, like all hotels. I mean, like most of the hotels now in Paphos. Ivi Mare Hotel, it's open actually. In this area, according to my very credential, very good source, my wife, it's only this hotel open, and Athena Beach by Constantinos and Ivi Mare, yeah. This is Ivi Mare, which is kindly open actually, didn't close. It's a new hotel, not so old. Nice pools. Of course, right next to the sea. And next to it's Aqua Mare. Ivi Mare.
This one's closed.
Yeah. Close, of course.
Next to Constantinos Pioneer.
Yes. There's like a short clips of the hotels. We probably will post a video soon with more details about each hotel. Pioneer Hotel, like Constantinos also. It's close, isn't it? Yeah, it's close.
Yeah.
Just some people walking inside it. So a lot of, yeah, doing some renovations, painting the chairs there. Of course, a lot of cleaning has to be done when it's close to season, like in the front of the beach.
Asimina.
Asimina? Okay, wrong. That was Asimina. Asimina Suites Hotel. And this one? Ah, this is Pioneer. This is Pioneer. Teddy's checking the grass. Teddy's good grass or what? Pioneer, some nice renovation going on here. Probably there's water here. It's open. Georgia?
Ναι. Δεν κάνω τίποτα.
How come you don't talk with them? Beautiful cats. Imps. Τι είναι κούκλα? Imps, έλα. Έλα εδώ. Έλα εδώ. Nice cats. Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Playing not to land. It's St. Nicholas Church next to the hotel. Very nice church. Hi, goes, huh? Teddy, not for you. Teddy.